Skyward and such. Gradebook Setup. Go to Skyward through the teacher portal, teacher access, go to My Gradebook, click on a gradebook. If it's your first time into that gradebook in the year, you'll see a screen like this. You're going to choose a scoring method, go ahead and click on that. You'll get a pop-up like this where you're going to choose base grades on percent assigned to category by grade period. It's the last one. Hit save. Repeat this for every section that you have. It'll make it easier to copy your gradebook later. So go ahead and repeat all that. If you've already set it up, but you need to go check it or make changes, open your gradebook where you're going to see your students' names that are blanked out here. Hit category. Then you're going to see this screen. You're going to change scoring method. You're going to hit that button, and then you're going to see this familiar screen of choose that last option of base grades on percent and hit save. And then you're going to click on each quarter, 9-week period, whatever you want to call it. Click on it. You're going to choose your grading categories. You have fewer than this to choose from. You're going to put in the percents. You want to make sure that it tallies up to 100%. Check with your department about which categories you need and what percents they need to be. Keep the total 100. Keep it simple. If you have a category that you don't end up using and it's greater than 0%, it's going to do wacky things to your gradebook. So you want to make sure these categories are ones that you're actually going to use, because if you leave them blank and they count as a percent, you're not going to like what it does to your students' grades. So check with your department about how you're doing that, what percents. After you save it, you'll see, hey, you modified one of the grading periods right here, but you need to go ahead and modify all of them to match. So let's modify the next one, and then you went through that whole process again. One way to keep it simple is, hey, if you're supposed to have a 9-week test or project or whatnot, that could be 20%. Everything else could be 80%. Like I said, talk to your department about what percents things should be. Don't have too many categories. You could have more than 2 for sure. After you have it set up correctly, you double checked it, you can click on use these categories for my other classes. And you can pick which classes you're going to use it for. You don't have to use it for all, because you could have different courses with different categories or percents. Click all those, hit save, and then go back and double check your work. Check and make sure all your classes, first semester, second semester, are all set up correctly. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, all.